This is a 2022 Nissan Rogue front clip prior to wrap up. This is how we do basically all of our fronts. Pretty classic example. There's no dash, no airbags. Setups are usually similar. Sometimes they include the motor mount, sometimes they don't. But it always includes the cooling pack, the harness, hoses, rad support, everything you see in here. Any questions, let me know. Also includes the lower splash shields, the spoilers, lower spoilers taken off just to protect it for shipping, and then the airbox and all the miscellaneous plastic is in that bag.